Yeah, this is a doozy. But we got it though. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Just with Detail Diamonds, back with another one. As you can see right now, we have a disaster interior on our hands. Right now I have Chelsea in the trunk getting it together. That part looks terrible, by the way. But yeah, as you can see, this carpet is tore. This leather isn't too bad, but tore. These door panels, tore. These doors, tore. Now, let me just keep it transparent with you guys right now. So I quoted her at about I believe it was like 180 for this job. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna have to give her a call, and I'm definitely gonna have to upcharge this job. Now, let me give you guys some advice. When you guys are getting pictures from these customers, I say it all the time. Make sure you get specific and make sure that, just communicate properly on what you need to see. Now, sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie to you, sometimes we ask these customers for pictures and they may just send like a picture of like this, for instance, or they might send a picture of like this, for instance. So you really need to communicate and let them know that, hey, let me see the whole condition of the car so I can quote you properly. But this is exactly why I give final prices once we get to the job, because this is definitely going to need an upcharge.
Evans made another one. Evans made another one.